Deepl versus Reverso. Which one is better and what is the difference? Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you the key differences between Deepl and Reverso translation tools. This tutorial compares their features, accuracy, and usability to help you determine which service best suits your translation needs. So let's get started. So if you're confused about which one should you choose, whether you're a professional translator or a language learner, this video will help you decide. So let's get started. First up, let's look at what each tool is best for. So Deepl shines when it comes to high quality translations. It's built for professionals, ideal for formal writing and translating entire documents. If you're working with reports, emails, or business materials, Deepl is a great choice. On the other hand, Reverso is designed for more everyday users and language learners. What makes it unique is how it shows real-world examples of words and phrases in context that's super helpful if you're trying to understand how a word is actually used in conversation. Now, let's talk about the languages they support. Deepl currently supports about 30 languages, and it's especially strong with European languages like German, French, and Spanish. Reverso supports around 25 languages, and while its overall list is slightly shorter, it covers popular ones like English, French, Spanish, Italian, and even Arabic. Next, let's compare features. This is where things get interesting. Deepl is all about delivering natural-sounding translations. It also lets you upload documents like Word and PowerPoint files and translate them seamlessly. The interface is clean, minimal, and super easy to use, whether you're on desktop or mobile. But here's the catch: Deepl doesn't offer grammar correction, pronunciation tools, or examples in context. Reverso, meanwhile, is packed with tools for learners. You get translations with real-world examples, a grammar and spell checker, verb conjugation help, and pronunciation audio. So this makes it a fantastic all-in-one platform for people actively learning a new language. But unlike Deepl, Reverso doesn't support documents file translation. Now let's talk about the pricing. So Deepl has a free version with some limits on how much you can translate. So you can simply head over to the pricing structure of Deepl. You can see that the starter version is for 8.74 and advanced one is for 28.74. Then we have the ultimate one for 57.49, and the enterprise one is that you can contact sales and just talk with them about the pricing plan. And then let's talk about the Reverso one. So the Reverso premium one is for €649 annual per month. The monthly is €999 per month. So you can head over to the pricing structure and select the one that you need. Now, which one is easier to use? Deepl is fast, professional, and simple. It's built for people who want quick, fluent translations without distractions. Reverso has a slightly busier interface, but that's because it packs in so many tools. It's perfect for those who are studying or trying to improve their grammar and vocabulary, not just translate. So which one should you choose? Use Deepl if you need accurate, high-quality translations with a clean interface, perfect for professionals and business use. Use Reverso if you're learning a language, need examples in real context, or want extra tools like grammar correction and pronunciation. Both are fantastic tools. It just depends on what you need. So that's it for today's video. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.